Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Jerry Cuomo. I'm here with another rescue case. This one is a BioHorizon flared tapered implant. This is a photo now. I've got it on my iPhone of the actual implant itself. And so what you're seeing basically is a titanium base implant with a very long screw. The threads are well into the middle portion of the implant fixture itself, and now we're going right on up to the top of the screw head here. So we have a stripped screw head. We're going to go ahead and pre-soak this case and see if we can get this screw to come loose. All right, this is Dr. Jerry Cuomo. I'm going to start moving right on over to the patient's mouth. And here it is. Number 31 position. My dental assistant is going to dry off the fixture itself, and we'll take a closer look. Right now it's covered with a lot of bioburden, which is a mixture of calculus and a bunch of other things. And let's go ahead now. She's isolated. We're going to isolate her some more with cotton. We're going to use triangles and a saliva ejector that goes under the tongue. So we have that's in here. And we want to keep the tongue out of the way. We want to keep everybody comfortable in there while we're working. And so we do have somewhat of an indirect visual path going in. So with the dental microscope, we're able to develop much more accuracy and ability to go up and down 6 types of magnifications with the click of a knob. Alright, so we're just going to try to keep her tongue out of the way. So let me just extend our device so that it meets, and then we'll have the patient hold on to the hose. There you go. Thank you. And she does that. It just drops under the chin. It's like that. So we got the suction device under the chin, extending down, keeping the tongue on its side. Now we can work at our main event here. I'm going to take that out. Don't need that. So pre-soaking first. We use, I know we get asked this a lot, but it's a material that is used for denture bases, and we get it from various companies out there, but it's tartar and stain remover. This one. Here we go with the first application. And it's applied right to the top, just like that. Careful now. We'll have our small suction ready. We use something called a Tippadilly. Got names for everything, right? Cheek buddy, Tippadilly. What else? What else? Hollenbach. There we go. So if you look closely, you're going to be able to see the clarity now going from clear to cloudy, and that means now it's penetrating, it's getting in there, and it's unlocking things. How we doing underneath? Good? All right. So we're painting this solution in there, and I'll apply some more. This is where you want to trust your brain more than your eyes. You want it to basically penetrate, even though it looks like it's going nowhere. If we saw bubbles coming up, boy, that'd be even more exciting, because then we would know it's really doing its job. It's getting down in there. All right. So we just keep reapplying. Situation like this, you can't really walk away from it, because once the patient closes, you lose the effect of the material. You don't want that. So just keep reapplying. My dental assistant now, she's just going to turn the suction off and let that soak in a little bit. And that's what we'll do. We'll just kind of, I'm going to zoom in now. We're going to zoom in, take a close look at this guy. So right now we're right at 12.5 power. And this is 20. Back to 12.5. Back to 8. So this is 8 power. Some of you that use loops out there, that's probably the most you can get out of a pair of loops. So this is 12.5. And of course 20. Now you got starting to see clarity. You can see the various attempts. Dang. Okay. Right back. We'll just take a quick break.